Good morning, my dear students. Today, exercise 1.5 cubes and cube roots. What is the meaning of cube? One number multiple by 3 times is called the cube. For example, 2 I am select 2 how many times want to multiple 3 times 2 into 2 into 2 2 2s are 4 4 2s are 8. This is called the cube number. Cube root meaning is as usual you doing the LCM method 3 number from selecting one number, that is called the cube root. Before exercise you studied square root. Square root, what is the meaning? There are two numbers from you write it in one number. Now 3 numbers from write it to one number is called the cube root. If you multiply a number by itself and then by itself again, the result is a cube number. The result is a cube number. I am say the example, one number multiple in 3 times is called the cube number. The cube root of a number is the value that when cubed gives the original number. One number 3 times multiple and get it the answer original number, that is called the cube root number. The perfect cubes of a natural numbers are what? Which numbers are all natural numbers? Natural numbers 1 2 3 4 going on number is called the natural numbers. This number power 3, 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube. This is called the perfect cubes. So 1 cube, 1 multiple by in 3 times. 1 into 1 into 1, you get it, the answer is 1. 2, 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3, 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64. 5 into 5 into 5, 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. 6 into 6, 36, 36 into 6 equal to 216 going on. These numbers are called the perfect cube numbers. Next, a perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. One number is perfect cube, that number definitely not finished by 2 0. That number is not a perfect cube. The cube of a number, 2-digit number, may have 4 or 5 or 6 digit in it. 2-digit number may be coming in 4 numbers, 5 numbers, 6 digit in it. The number I am writing, that number its cube 1 2 3 is the natural numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 etc. going on numbers. These numbers and all natural numbers. Its cube 1 cube, 1 into 1 into 1 equal to 1. 2 cube, 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 equal to 8. Multiple 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27. 4 cube 64, 5 cube 125 etc. 14 cube equal to 2744 etc. going on the natural number. These numbers are called the perfect cube numbers. Next, properties and example. What is the properties? A cube positive number is a positive number. One number positive number. 2 is the positive number. This number multiple in cube 3 times. That number also, what is the number? Positive number. So 2 cube positive number. A cube of a negative number is a negative number. Minus 5 whole cube equal to minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5. So negative number minus, minus into minus, plus, plus into minus, minus. 5 5s are 25, 25 5s are 125. This is the negative cube number. Next, the cube of every even number is even. The cube of every even number is, what is the number? Even number, positive number, plus numbers and all positive numbers, minus numbers and all negative number. Even number 2 4 6 8 10, that numbers and even number. So even number example I am selecting 6. 6 cube equal to 3 times multiple, you get it the answer 216. 216 also, what is the number? Even number. So even number only answer. Odd number for I am taking in example 7. 7 into 7 into 7, 343. This number also, what is the number? Odd number. Oh, odd number cube number is odd number. Even number cube is even. if natural numbers, which numbers are natural numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. going on number is called the natural numbers. N's with n's meaning is ones place value equal to 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 and 9 means that number multiple in 3 times also, that n's with which number is coming there? 0, 1, 4, 5, 6 or 9 only respectively. Now 10 cube, for example 10 cube, 10 0 0 only over 1, 11 cube 11 only, so 1333 ones place for 1 only, 4 for 4 only over, 5 5 only over, 6 6 only over, 9 9 only over. So 0 4 0 0 1 1 4 4 5 5 6 6 9 over means also 9 only over. Suppose the natural numbers ends with 2 and 8. Ends meaning is ones place number 2 and 8 means that answer also 2 means 8, 8 means 2 only. See the example 12, 12 only over, come the answer is 28. So 2 means 8, 3 8 means 2 only over. Next the natural numbers ends with 3 or 7. So 3 meaning is 7 only over. 13 cube, 13 into 13 169, 169 into 39 equal to 13 equal to 2197. So 3 ones place means here answer is 7. 7 is 1 place means here multiple 3 times after you get it the answer, ones place for 3 only answer. Next, if a natural number ends with 3 7 means 7 and 3 is over. Now the sum of the cube of the numbers of first n natural numbers is equal to the square of their sums. What is the meaning? Sum of the cube, I selecting 4 numbers, 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube plus 4 cube. 1 cube answer is, what is the answer? 1. 2 cube answer is 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8. 3 cube answer is 27. 4 cube answer equal to 1 cube 1 is answer, 2 cube 2 into 2 into 2, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 cube answer is 27, 4 cube answer is 64. These all the number add and get the answer equal to, what is the answer? 100. 64 plus 27 equal to 91. 91 plus 8 equal to 99. 99 plus 1 equal to 100. Then now next step, what I am writing? The natural numbers of the square. 1 plus 2. What is the number I am selecting? 1, 2, 3, 4. So this number add, you get the answer is 10. Power 2, right, means 10 into 10 equal to 100. This answer and this answer is correct answer. Now 1 cube plus 2 cube plus 3 cube. What is the number is there? Have you write here? Cube change into I am writing in what I am writing 2. So sum of the cubes of first n natural numbers, cube of the first n natural numbers is equal to the square of the sums. Whatever number you selecting, that number add and that number multiple into 2 times 2 also same answer. Cube of the numbers add and get the answer, and the sum of the number inside the number, that number multiple in 2 times also same answer. Okay, now exercise 1.5, filling the blanks true or false. After I saying you, now I started the sum. Show that 1944 is not a perfect cube. How to find this number? Solution right after 1944. Do in the LCM method division. First 44 over even number you selecting 2 table. 9 2s are 18, remaining 1, 1 and 4 join 14, 7 2s are 14, 2 2s are 4. Next, again possible in 2 table, 4 2s are 8, remaining 1, 8 2s are 16, remaining 1, 6 2s are 12. Now 2 table, 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 2s are 6. Next, third table, 3 8s are 24, 1 3 is 3. Again take in the third table. Now 3 2s are 6, remaining 2 is 21, 7 3s are 21, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. Now what is the factors and all coming right here? 1944 is equal to, what is the factor? 2 into 2 into 2, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. What is the meaning of cube? 3. So 3 number underline first. Next 3 number underline. Next 2 3 only there have, they are needed in 1 more 3. So we need 1 more 3. So given number, what is the number is there given? Now 1944 is not a perfect cube. Next question, fourth question. Find the smallest number by which 10,985 should be divided so that quotient is a perfect cube. Okay, solution written 10,985. Do in the LCM method division. 5 only over in one's place, you select in fifth table. 1 is not possible, 10. 5 2s are 10. 1 5 is 5, remaining 4. 9 5s are 45, remaining 3. 7 5s are 35. Now 2197 is possible in 13th table. 113 is 13. The right in 6 3 78 9. So again 13th table, 13 13s are 169. Now what 10,985 equal to 5 into 13 into 13 into 13. So which number is divided, which number should be divided, we get it the perfect cube. So see here 313 is there, 1 5 is extra is there. So two side also, both side you divided by 5. So 10,985 divided by 5 is equal to 5 into 13 into 13 into 13 divided by 5. This 5 you cancel. This number divide and get the answer equal to, what is the answer? 2197. 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, 1 5 is 5, 9 5s are 45, 7 5s are 35. So 2197 is equal to 13 into 13 into 13. So the new number will be a perfect cube. Which number? 2197 is the perfect cube. Therefore, which number is required that divided for 5? Therefore, the required number is... Now fifth sum, find the smallest number by which 200 should be multiplied to make it a perfect cube. Make it a perfect cube. Now solution, right? Which number multiple? Before sum, which number is divided, you get it the perfect cube, 5. Now 200 is do in the LCM method. Same condition only, all the sum. 2 table to take. 1 2 is to 0 0. Again 2 table. 5 2s are 10, 0. 2 5s are 20. 2 2s are 4, remaining 1. 5 2s are 10. 5 5s are 25. 1 5 is 5. Now 200 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2 into 5 into 5. So both side cube for 3 number you underline. 3 number is here. 5 for needed in, 1 more 5 is needed there. This 1 more 5 only multiplied by both side. Both side meaning is equal to left side, equal to right side, multiple by 5. 200 into 5 is equal to 2 into 2 into 2, 5 into 5, this extra 1 5 into 5 right there. 500, 500, 5 2s are 10. Now 1000 is the perfect cube. See there 3 number, 3 number. So which number is now perfect cube? 1000 is the perfect cube. So which number is required there? 5 is needed there. So therefore required number is 5. Sixth question, find the cube of 24, 36, 80, 25. See there 24, 36, 80, 25 is a, find the cube root they are asking. Okay, and now how many number is there given? 24, 36, 80, 25. One number for how to they write. Cube root meaning is cube root of 24, 36, 80 into 25. How to they write? Square root symbol, right? And in the inside 3 small, right? This is called the cube root. Tick like right, and the inside right in 3. Full number also want to cover. This is called the cube root. 24, 36, 80 into 25. One number do in the LCM method. 24 divided in 2 table. 1 2 is 12 2s are 24. 6 2s are 12. 3 2s are 6. 1 3 is 3. Next number is 36. 36 do in the LCM method. Third table. 1 3 is 12 3s are 36. 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. Next 80. 16 5s are 80. 2 8s are 16. 2 4s are 8. 2 2s are 4. 1 2 is 2. Next last number is 25. 5 5s are 25. 1 5 is 5. Whatever come in the factors. 24 for what is the number there? 24 for what is the factor? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. 36 for what is the factor there? 3 into 3 into 2 into 2. Continuously write 3 into 3, 2 into 2. 80 for what is the factor? 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 5 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 25, 5 into 5. Now 2 and all one side right, 3 and all one side right, 5 and all right in continuously. How many 2 is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 twos. So cube root symbol right and 9 twos continuously right. Next, how many 3 is there? 3 threes. 3, 3 into 3 into 3. 5, 1, 2, 3, 5. Underline the 2 numbers. 3 numbers. Cube root for cube meaning is 3. First 2, 3. 3 twos, next 3 twos, next 3 twos, next 3 threes, next 3 fives. So these 2 from you write in one number. These 2 from write in the one number. Okay, write it the one number. Next these 3 2 from write in one number. Next these 3 2 from write in one number. Next 3. Next 5. Right after should not put in the cube root symbol there. Now you multiply the number. 2 2s are 4. 3 2s are 6. 5 5 you write. 4 6 are 24. 24 into 5 equal to 120. Therefore cube root of 24 into 36 into 80 into 25 is equal to what is the answer? 120 is the answer. Next, seventh question. Find the cube root of 729 and 6859 by prime factorization. So multiple the number. First 725. Next you find in the 6855. Next question, find the cube root of the number is, what is the number? 729 for finding the cube root, 6859 for finding the cube root number. Now 721, two sum is there, first sum, second sum, for step solution right and 729 for find it there. Cube root of 729, write in the cube number in inside 729. Do in the LCM method division. Third table, 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Again use in the third table, 3 8s are 24, 1 3 is 3. 3 2s are 6, remaining 2, 7 3s are 21. Next, 9 3s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 1 3 is 3. Now 729 cube root for what is the factors and all, they are coming 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3, 6 3. Cube root symbol right and they write in 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. These 3 first 3 from write in 1 3. Next 3 from write in 1 3. 3 3s are 9. Now cube root of 729 is equal to answer is 9. Next one is, what is the question? Cube root of 6859. This number is possible in 19th table. 361 into 19 equal to 6851. This number is 19 into 19 equal to 361. Again possible in 19th table. Now 6859 is equal to cube root of 19 into 19 into 19. This 319 from write in 119. Now cube root of 6859 is equal to 19. What is the square root of cube root of 46,656? What is the square root of cube root of 46,656? How to I am write? See there, square root of, first red line to I am writing in square root of cube root of bracket start and cube root of given number, right, and close the bracket. First this number from you write in, find in the cube root. So cube root for LCM method, divide the number. Coming there, these factors and I'll write it here. How many 2s? 1 2 3 4 5 6 3. 1 2 3 4 5 6 3. Write it here. Square root and start the bracket. Cube root symbol for right after whatever come the factor, write is here. Next square root symbol only write. Cube root for 3 numbers underline there. Underline after these 3 2 from writing 1 2. These 3 2 from writing 1 2. 3 3 from writing 1 3. Here 1 3. right after should not put in the cube root, must want write in the square root symbol. Right after square root meaning is 2 numbers from writing 1 2. 1 2 here 1 3. 3 2s are 6. Now square root of cube root of 46,656 equal to answer is 6. Ninth question. If the cube of squared number is 729, find the square root of that number. So what is the meaning? If the cube of this number from you find in the cube root first, next find in the square root, next come the answer to again find in the square root. See the step 1. First cube root of 729. So write in the cube root, 3 inside must write 729. LCA method you divide the number. Third table for possible, 3 2s are 6, remaining 1, 4 3s are 12, 3 3s are 9. Divide and write what is the factors 3 into 3 into 3, 3 into 3 into 3. These numbers write in cube root. So 3 numbers write in one number. See there 3 from 1 3 you write here. This 3 from you write in 1 3. Right after should not put in the cube root symbol. 3 3s are 9. Now cube root of 729 is equal to cube root of 729 is equal to 9. Next step, this number 9 from write in the square root. Step 2, the cube of squared number is 729 is what is the answer? Square root 9. This 9 write in the square root for you write. Okay, and now 9 for what is the answer? Which two number multiple and get the answer is 9. 3 3s are 9. These 3 from you write in 1 3. What is the answer now? 3. First 729 for square root cube root is 9. This 9 from you find in the square root, answer is 3. Next this 3 from third step, the square root of that number. Which number? Before step answer. Root 3 you find. What is the value of root 3? So division, long division method, 3 after any number also they are not covered. You write in the 2 1 2 4 6 8 0 you write. Find it the answer. Now 1 1 is 1, 2 2s are 4. Table is there, have no square root table. That to find 1 1 is 1. 2 number underline first. 2 2 here 2 0 underline, here 2 0 underline, here 3. 1 1 is 1. Now this 1 you multiple by 2, answer is 2. How many times possible? 22 1 into 1 2 2 into 2 7 times is possible. So 7 7 you write 189. Again divide minus and write means answer is 11. Next 2 0 write here. Next step very carefully listen. Now these 27 write and first this 2 for you put in the box. 7 2s are 14. Okay, and this remaining one here write and 1 plus 2 add and write 3 only answer. What is the answer? 3. So 34 write. 34 write after 303 for 1 into 1. 3 34 2 into 2. 34 3 into 3. Multiple and divide, multiple and write 341 486 1029. Okay, now minus and write means answer is 71. Next to 0 writing down. Next this 343 right after. First this 3 is there, no 2 3 2s are 6 right. Next 34 for 34 right. 346 346 1 into 1. 346 2 into 2. Multiple and write. 6924. These two there you write, there also you write. And again minus and write means not possible for 0 you write. Now 334 answer is 3 root 3 for answer is what is the answer? 1.732. Not possible for write here 0, there 0, here also write 0. This 0 is no variable, strike out and write. Root 3 for what is the answer? 1.732 is the answer. This is the standard value. Root 3 value ask means what the right of 1.732. Next 10th sum, find the two smallest perfect square numbers which when multiplied together gives a perfect cube number. consider the number 2 square and 4 square. You take in 2 square and 4 square. Smallest number is 2 square, 4 square. Now 2 square for how to they divide multiple 2 into 2 equal to 4. 4 square 4 into 4 equal to 16. Here 4 into 16 equal to 64. This 4 into 16 multiply again. 4 into 16 equal to 64. Come this answer. You will only take the numbers, square numbers, perfect square numbers 2 squared. 4 square right after. 4 into 16 equal to 64. Now 64 how to they divide is 4 into 4 into 4 64. Therefore required square number is 4 and 16. Now needed the square number is what is the number? 4 and 16 only needed there. So 4 and 16 take means come the answer also perfect cube. So far only select the number is 2 squared and 4 squared. Now exercise 1.5 filling the blanks. The one digit in the cube of 73 is dash. What is the meaning of one digit? See there, filling the blanks 73. One digit place for 3 is there. These 3 only you multiply in 3 times. 3 into 3 into 3. Ones place asking for 27. 27 ones place is what is the number? 7. So now this filling the blanks for answer is 7 is the answer. What is the answer? 7 you write there. Next question, the maximum number of digit in the cube of 2 digit is dash. So what is the meaning of maximum number? So biggest number in the 2 digit is what is the number? 99. 99 multiple in 3 times. 99 into 99 into 99. You get it, the answer is 9,70,299. So what is the question? Number of digits only asking. So 2 digit numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many digits is there? Have 6 digits. This sum for answer is 6. The third question. The smallest number to be added 3,333 to make it a perfect cube. So 3,333. How to they find first one you write. 34 coming. Next 2. One by one find after which number is possible. There 42 only possible. 42 add and get the answer is 3,375. This is perfect cube or not check. So division method to find the answer is perfect cube. So which number must want to add there? 42 only add and get the answer is perfect cube. The cube root of next question. The cube root of 540 into 50 is dash. 540. So cube root of this number for find in the cube root LCM method find. 5 into 5 times 5th table for possible. 1 5 is 5. 4 is not possible. 0 5 8s are 40. 1 by 1 find means answer is 5 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. Next 50 for you write 5 1 5 is 5 10. 5 2 are 10, 1 2 is 2. So these all the factors continuously write here. Next cube root of 5 one side write, next 2, next 3 write. This 3 5 from 1 5, this 2 3 2 from 1 2, this 3 from 1 3 you write. 5 2 are 10, 10 3 are 30. So perfect cube is what is the number there? 30 is the answer. Here write it 30. Next question, the cube root of 0.0000504319. So point after how many digits is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So how to the write? See there. Remove the decimal point and write in 4,913. 4,913 write in the cube root. Divided by point after 9 digit for you write in 9 zeros. This number how to they divide? 17 into 17 into 17 divided by 9 3s for 1000 into 1000 into 1000. See that 3 plus 3 6 is 9 0 is there. So these 317 from writing 170. These 3000 from you writing 1000. So how to they write? 17 by 1000. How to find that? See. Here how many 0 is there? Have 3 zeros. So point right and 3 dash right. First number is what is the number? 7. Next number is 1. Next here not have the number for you write in 0.0. So answer is 0.017. 0.017 is the answer. True or false? Next one is true or false. Next one is true or false. The cube of 24 ends with the digit is 4. 24 you 3 times multiple, last number is over in 4 or not. Already there second given, no, 4 for 4 only finished, no, 0 1 4 5 end with 0 4 only they are finished. This is true or false there? True only, correct answer. Subtracting 10 cube from 1929 gives 9 cube. So 10 cube for what is the answer? 1000. 10 cube for what is the answer? 1000. Now 1729 from minus 1729 minus 1000 is equal to what is the answer? 729. Now this here for 9 into 9 into 9. 9 nines are 81. 81 into 9 equal to 729 is come the answer. So this sum for also answer is a true only, correct answer. Next one, the cube of 0.012 is 0.00050 and 1728. Easily find for which method I say. See there. Here point after how many digits is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So point after definitely needed in 3 digit only. Here point after they are given in 4 digits. So sum is wrong. False only, correct answer. 79,570 is not a perfect cube, correct only. You find that one number is extra there have, so not have the 3 numbers, so write in true only, is not for true here. Is a perfect cube means false only, correct answer. The cube root of 25,000 2,50,047 is 63. So correct or not? How to the check there? 63 is multiple in 3 times. You get it. The answer is this answer. So sum is true.